Hello friends, happy morning everyone. Really kind of pleasure to all, meeting in the morning. I just have a thought of sharing with you today about New Year's learning and how it happens quite often. So last week I had attended a session about game-oriented experiential learning. There I met a trainer, and she said, "Sir, nowadays we are all going through Google journey, but we are not able to go with introspective journey." Then I inquired, why this Google journey and why not introspective journey? And I explored many things about introspective journey, and I've received quite interesting information and quite interesting knowledge about introspective learning that I'm going to share with you right now, my dear friends. You may be an educator or entrepreneur or any kind of personality in this world, but you must have a kind of introspective learning with you, because the learning from yourself is being better than any source of search engines. So this introspective learning is all about you, what is your understanding about a particular thing. For example, if you want to know the purpose of education, what you immediately do, you just go the Google and type the purpose of education. Some kind of information will come from Google, and you just read it and you understand, oh, this is what the purpose of education. Okay, we'll take it in that way. You just meditate yourself and you ask yourself, what is the purpose of education, why I'm studying such kind of degree right now. Then your mind, keep on asking within yourself. It is, your mind started talking with you. This is what the purpose of education. The purpose of education is what? Just I introspect today in the morning. What is the purpose of education? And my mind, after 30 to 40 minutes of experiential things within me, it shared. The purpose of education is all about the expansion of knowledge, expansion of thinking, expansion of being a human. So the kind of information I have learned from me, but whether the same information is available at Google, I'm not sure on it. So my dear friends, this video I'm requesting every one of you, being a parent, being a teacher, being a businessman, or being any kind of personality you are, start doing more on introspective learning. That is the ultimate for new age platform, that is post COVID. So with this message, I'm going to end my video today. We'll meet another interesting fact shortly. Thank you very much. Have a best happy day.